Good morning, good morning. Oh, Teeny Poppers, look at me. Teeny Poppers, I'm feeding the birds. It is so exciting, Teeny Poppers. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Oh, Teeny Poppers, they're just absolutely magical. Teeny Poppers, shall we see if Mr. Monkey can feed the birds? Oh, Mr. Monkey, you are feeding the birds today. Teeny Poppers, shall we sing it again? Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Oh, Teeny Poppers, we're having so much fun feeding the birds today. Mr. Monkey, are you behaving? Well done, Mr. Monkey. Let's wave goodbye to the Teeny Poppers. Bye! Oh, Teeny Poppers, I've had the most magical time feeding the birds. They are absolutely wonderful. They're so friendly. And that naughty Mr. Monkey, he fed them too. Teeny Poppers, I didn't bring Snoopy with me today. He doesn't really like the birds. He likes to chase them. Oh, Teeny Poppers, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye!